You know that feeling when you wake up and your joints just feel stiff, like you've been put together with rusty hinges. It's like your body is saying, hey, slow down, take it easy, you're not as spry as you used to be. But what if I told you there's a way to get some of that bounce back, to wake up feeling like you can take on the day without creaking and groaning? For me, it's all about the gelatin trick. I started doing it a while back, and I've noticed a real difference in how my joints feel. They're more comfortable, more mobile, and I can just get on with my day without feeling held back. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin to support your joints, to give them a bit of extra love and care. It's simple, really just dissolve some gelatin in water, let it sit, and then drink it down. But the impact it can have is pretty amazing. I've found that since I started doing the gelatin trick, I can move more easily, without that stiffness and pain that used to hold me back. So if you're looking to try the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more info, and take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some tips for getting started. Give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can work for you. Your joints will thank you.